Opening a Pokemon Trading Card 6-packs.
Hello guys, what's up? And andito ako ngayon para ipakita sa inyo yung in-order ko na Pokemon cards. 6 na packs to guys. So andito yung aking bunso para makita niya rin kung ano yung nangyayari at ang aking panganay para makita niya kung ano yung makukuha namin dun sa loob ng 6 na packs ng Dragonia. So 6 na packs to guys. Open ko lang. Hello! Six packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 to guys. Isa-isahin natin. Simulan na natin. Papapiliin ko sila. O, pili ka. Anong kukunin natin? Yan ang unang open natin. Okay, mana? Open daddy.
Let's see one of these Pokemon cards.
Okay guys. Ito na. Oh. Which? What's this?
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Uy! 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 Uy!
Oh my god, we got
Uy.
ugly. We got that.
Uy! Execute!
Is that good?
That's execute. That's good. That's good. That's good.
super.
Oh yeah, that's a hologram. Yee! Hey! Oh! What's this? Teka. I forgot guys. So, kailangan natin ilagay siya sa ano. Kasi maganda siyang koleksyon. Ko alam kung kasya doon sa binili ko na ano. Pero parang hindi. Hindi. Masyadong maliit oh. Pabili ako. So, hindi ko magagamit yun. Dapat pala 56 by 90 plus. So, nakabili ako ng card. Bawal kasi magasgas siya. Bawal malukot. Okay. Pokemon cards.
Guys.
Sampak pa lang yan ha.
I think.
Up, yan na. Wala. Bumuli. Okay ka. Okay, next. Choose one.
Oh, this one.
This one. Open natin. Let's go. Game. Go. Up. Yeah.
Ooh, a double one.
Up. Uy! 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 Another one! Another one! Hey! Another one! It's EX guys. Hindi ko siya mabasa pero i-check ko na lang siya mamaya. So, ang grade niya is 8. Oh! Diba? Astig! Pero another holographic card na nakuha natin. So, this is the second one. This is the second one. Second one. Bawal siyang madamage kasi ingatan niyo yung magagandang cards niya. Kasi pwede nyo siyang ipa-PSA guys. So, ang ganda na nakuha ko. Next. Okay. The last one. Okay. Next one. Next. Choose. Next. This one. Chosen by Marcos again. Up. Wala. Ayan na. Wala pa. Wala. Okay. Ano to? Next one. Oop. Yeah. Oop. Yeah. Oh! Ooh! Another one. Another holographic card guys. Hindi siya alam kung ano. Pero parang nakita ko siya. Nagbigay siya ng ano sa isang paper. Yan ang holographic card again. So tatlong pack. Nakatatlo na agad kami. Eh, napakaswerte. Napakaswerte ng card na to. Distribution. Shim. 3 out of 3 guys. 3 out of 3. 3 out of 3. This one. Oh, this is another first. Okay. Next one.
Out of all these cards, I'll take the first one. Can I open these six?
I will open it.
Right now.
Box.
This is
3 out of 3.
the second one. This is the second one. And
Okay, nothing.
yes, nothing.
Wait, this. Ano to? Ano siya kami ka-target? So, ano
The chest.
this. Nothing. Oh, nothing. This. Ano siya kasi yakin sa dragon card. Oh, wala. So, tayo. Tablado. Tablado. Tatlo na tayo. Tatlo.
Wow.
Sa 3. Sa 4 packs, nakatatlo na agad tayo. So, di ko pa alam yung price range niya. Pero maganda yung nakuha nating isa. Ano wala actually? Dalawa sila. Okay. This one, Marcos. This one. Choose. This one.
Alright, let's go. Let's get back.
Okay, ano ba? Ito yung board. Keyboard niya. Okay, hindi. Go. Next. Ano to? Trainer to. Wala pa rin. Ganun, ayaw na tayong pagbigyan Pero maganda na itong card mo to. Wala pa rin. So, bibili tayo ng binder para dyan. So, okay, wala. Susi. Oy! Another one! Another one, guys!
Guys, this is also rare, guys. Woo! It's the biggest one of all.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Got it.
Yes, sir!
Yeah.
Yes, sir! Hey! Sana may isa pa dito. Okay, kasunod. Oh, potion again. And artwork. Artwork siya. Hey! Let's go! Apat! Guys, apat yung nakuha natin. At napakaganda. Hindi ko lang siya mabasa kasi Japanese version, medyo mahal yung medyo mahal yung English version niya. Yan. Okay. So, magaganda. Sa 6 na packs, nakuha ko ng 4.
Wow.
So, susunod ulit, guys. Follow and like, share. Thank you.